How to delete Pinterest messages. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you if we can delete Pinterest messages or not. So let's find out. First thing, just head over to your Pinterest application and make sure you have signed into your account. As you can see, I've already signed into my account. So now just click on this message icon right next to left side of your profile icon. Just tap on this message section, and here you'll get two different options, that is updates and inbox. So just tap on inbox just like this, and you can see there is one message in my chat over here. So once I click on it, and if I want to actually delete some message which I sent to this particular person, I will just have to click on long press on it, and as you can see there is no any option to delete. It has the option to copy or reply to my thread as a message, but there is actually no any option to delete. And whenever I try to come back like this, and when I try to pull the message from left side or right side, it doesn't appear. It still doesn't give me any delete option. And the final option method what we can try is just click on this three dot icon over here, and so basically we can only hide or report this conversation or completely block this particular person, but you cannot directly delete your messages which has already been sent, because it has not been made available from the Pinterest itself. So the only way you can compromise this is by simply hiding the conversation or blocking the particular person just like this. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.